YouTube, Chash Tech Reviews back again. In today's video is about how to choose default browser to your Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, or other operating systems. In my case here, I only have Google Chrome. In your case, you may have Firefox or Opera Mini or other browser on your Windows operating system. So to set a default browser, click here the search icon and type here settings or open the settings. So here the settings, open it. Then after that you will find here apps. So open on your setting the apps. Then after that it will show you default apps. So select the default apps feature. Then scroll down and find the browser that you want. In my case, I want Google Chrome, but if you have other browser, then select for that specific browser. So I want to make Google Chrome my default browser, so I'm going to select Google Chrome. Then after that you will find here make Google Chrome your default browser. So it's here the set default. In the previous one it's the default one is Microsoft Edge, so I'm going to select set default. So as you can see here, Google Chrome is changed for HTML and HTML, and for some unchanged options you can, for example, if you want to change the PDF one, click here the arrow and select. You may have other browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, or other browsers, so select the browser that you want. In my case, I want Google Chrome and select OK. Then the PDF also will be open in Google Chrome format, and also you can make a change for any of them by clicking the plus sign or by clicking this arrow. You can change your default apps in Windows operating system following these steps. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chash Tech Review out.